Hello friend, myself Abhishek Desai, and today we're gonna unbox Boot Stone 700. Before going to the Bluetooth speaker, did you notice my new hairstyle? I've recently done unboxing of the trimmer, but we didn't do any working video over there. I just recently used it and it is flawless. Going back to the Bluetooth speaker, you can carry it anywhere, and if you are a party mode, you can take it anywhere and set your mood on. Without stopping, just start with unboxing. So you can see it comes with a cool box. Various details are provided on the box. Let's check. We can check the details here. You can plug into memories, aesthetic, Nirvana. At the back side you can see it various detail like it contains a 10 watt stereotype, water resistance, shock proof, enclosed with a silicone embedded microphone, conference call, incredible 200 mAh battery backup, and air non-stop. Let's open the box. You can see it's coming. It is a manual. You can see manuals contain various detailed controlling system specification, how to use, precautions while using it. All the details are in the manual. It's the Bluetooth speaker. You can see its aesthetic looks with black beast design, and it's just awesome. We will talk it on later. You can see another warranty card. Keep it safe. It has contain 1 year warranty while any damage. You can see a carabiner there which you can use while carrying, and here comes a USB and aux. USB for charging slot, plug in for while charging, and it is a aux which you can connect via your phone while connecting the device. Let's start with the Bluetooth speaker. You can see a Bluetooth speaker here. It comes with the Bluetooth distance effectively 33 feet to 10 meters. Come with a lithium battery which is very good. On the top there are buttons are provided which you can very smoothly operate. At the bottom it is rubber coating are provided, and its edges is very clean. On the grill are provided with the steel. Its aesthetic look are very clear, bolted with the Allen keys, and its edges are very fine aesthetic look. At the top there a hook is provided for the carabiner which you can carry anywhere while traveling. At the bottom you can see it's come a rubber panel. Inside it there is a aux and the charging port is provided. It comes with a dot. You can see there it blinks when you are putting in charging. It comes with a rubber panel because it is water resistant, and keep it safe. Precautions because while using it can damage your Bluetooth speaker if it's not closed properly. Its edges are plain rubber panel. You can place it horizontal via vertical or hook it to its carabiner and just take it anywhere. Hooks are very strong. You can place horizontal. They are both sided grill provide a sound quality very good. We'll do test on it, you can see later, but it's just fine. Rigid, it's pretty heavy and you can sustain various shocks, you can see. And now we will do sound test on it, so check it out. It's
power on. You've plugged into Nirvana. You're now connected to Boatstone 700.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba. Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui, taqui taqui. Eres un besito o un aquí, un explota como Nagasaki. Prende los motores de Kawasaki, en la discota Jenny llegaron los Anunnaki, no le pare sobresale de tu traje. No trajo panticito pa' que el nene no trabaje. Es que yo me sé lo que ella cree que ya se sabe.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. Up with it.
So we have done audio test on it. I like to share some additional thing in this audio content. It basically contains 5 buttons you have seen in upper panel: plus button, minus button, play and pause button, Bluetooth mode button, and power button. Play and pause button has additional features like you can play next track and play previous track. For doing this, just hold the button, play, plus and minus, and it will play next and previous track. For the pause and button, it has additional feature while you are calling and doing connected while calling. Just connect it via your Bluetooth speaker and just do it while configuration call. And mode button is for connecting Bluetooth and aux while doing it. Power button is just switching on and switching off. That's it. So let's do a water test on it and check its ability to resist water and how you can use it in water. Sustainability. Let's do it.
I wish you would that I was bulletproof, bulletproof. I wish that I could hurry up and face the truth. I wish that I was. I wish that I was bulletproof, bulletproof. What your mother say?
So we have done the water test on it. You can see water droplet in this pocket and the sound is still clear. Water crystal. It does not affect any water particle. We have just tested it on board. So we have just unboxed the Boot Stone 700 Bluetooth speaker. It basically comes in two colors, black and green. And we have also done various tests like audio and water test on it. This retail price is 4,000 rupees, but you can buy it in cheaper rate. I have given the link in the description. Please check that link and hope you like the video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. See you next time.